Welcome back to Outlander Rides. As usual, I'm getting eaten by midges, so I don't know how long I'll be able to stay here. Today's mission is to go to Glen Etive, the Skyfall road. So we're going to go see where James Bond said was his home. Right now we're in Glen Orchy. I'm going to show you a waterfall in a minute. It's insanely beautiful. It's like 20 or 30 waterfalls. Yeah, so we're here. We're just getting some shots of the bike. So Glen Etive today on the beast. We're going to go up, see the mountains, the Ballachulish mountains, go through Glencoe. I mean, I don't know if you can see this, but it's very hazy and misty today. It's going to be a misty mountain glen. So yeah, we're going to head up there. We're going to stop for some food. We're going to see how the T7 performs. Just pulled up at the side of the waterfall, Urchaide Falls. So we're going to go from here up the single track road up to Glencoe. From Glencoe, I think it's the A82, drop off the A82 into Glen Etive. Braveheart filmed there, Skyfall was filmed there, and Outlander Rides is going to be filmed there. Wicked. So let's get on, let's go. Yeah, so this is Glen Orchy, and this is the River Orchy running through it. Look at that tree. Right, you know the drill. You know how we start these videos. I've never rode this road, but I just thought something a little different. Got the remote charging for the drone. Some good footage with that today. Pretty stoked. Look at these roads, single track roads. Love to ride the T7. I need to invest in some mics. You know, for the I need to get some mics for the sound, because we've got the GoPro set up now. I just want to get, I think, a little recorder you can put in my back of my bag, just so I can hear the Akrapovic a little bit better, the rumble, because I've got the Purple Panda in, and when I close my helmet, the sounds excuse me, the sound's a lot better, but if the helmet's open, it's not so great. It's not as good. So a quick question to anyone watching. I'm going to get an adventure helmet, and I've been looking at the Liat 9.5 carbon that comes with the goggles, and it's about 630 quid, something like that, 600 quid. But I don't know whether to get that, or there's the Klim for about, I think that's about £500, something like that. I'm not sure, but if you've got any recommendations and you ride adventure bikes, or if you don't, you just know a bit about them, put it in the comments, that'd be ace. These roads are an absolute wonderland. They're insane. Oh bless her. Check my messages. That was groovy. That's on, that's on. Brilliant. So Glen Orchy's got to be one of the best roads I've ridden so far. Yeah, it's well up there. It's well up there. It's probably number 1 or 2. This road's just got so many places you can stop and get footage. The mountains, you've got the forests, you've got all these little pull-ins for having a barbecue and camping, and be a really good spot if you're solo adventuring on your motorbike or even with someone. But you could come up and camp. There's loads of spots along here to camp. Yeah, this has got to be the best road I've ridden so far. I mean, it might just be the fact that I'm out on my motorbike and I'm buzzing and, you know, I feel good. It's like when you're really hungry and then you eat, you're like, this is the best meal. And it's really not, but you feel like it is. This is how I feel now. This is how I feel now. Ah. Must be right. Got a time drum, haven't we? No, where's this road? I want to go far, will you? We got to... I'm sure it's right. I'm not sure, but I'm sure. So I'm going right. Might have to double check that in a sec. I didn't know this was a... I actually know where we are. So I went the wrong way. When I came out of that junction and turned right, I should have turned left. What a sausage! So I've just pulled over for a little recalibration at the Bridge of Orchy. Because it goes over the River Orchy. I've just gone the wrong direction for the last 20 minutes, so yeah. Just having a little... I've left the helmet with the bike, but surely I'll be alright. Surely. I'm hoping this is just down here. Bridge. Well, I've gone completely the wrong way again. It's twice today. You can actually ride over them. You can ride over it. And dial them. Parked up and I'm walking down now, but let's have a look, see what all the fuss is about. Yeah, it was constructed by the British Army during the pacification of the Highland clans just after the Battle of Culloden, 1746. Beautiful place though. Quite like to try the food in this hotel, but you look at the sky, it's not too great to be honest with you. So I'm going to get back on the bike now and head to Glen Etive. What a magical place, Glencoe. If you've not done this road before, at some point in your life, you have to come up here and do this road. It's incredible. It's like writing a story without any words. Yeah, look at this. Glen Etive. Oh my god. So this is where they filmed Skyfall. I think the water's pretty low at the minute, but it's supposed to be very dangerous whitewater rafting in there. Woohoo! Look at this place! Single track roads, winding. Oh man, this is adventure. Absolutely epic. Every corner just gets better. It's writing its own story. Oh, there's loads of traffic. Tell you what, I'm going to put it here for a bit. Get the drone back. Yeah boy! So again, a hidden gem. I mean, what a place. What a place. Honestly, I've heard of Glen Etive, but I didn't think it was where James Bond was filmed. Better Skyfall when you crumble. That's a Braveheart filmed here as well. I know I've said it 15 times today, but it was. It really was. Oh, it's insane. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, these roads are an amazing addition. These roads are epic for a Tenere or any adventure, but now they're perfect. The roads are perfect again. These are brilliant for an adventure bike. Wow! Welcome to Jurassic Park. This is it. The end of the road. Wow, dude's camping. This is it. In the Glen Etive. Wow. I've seen a really beautiful spot back where that red Land Rover was. So I'm gonna go down there. Sit down there for a bit. I love it. I love it. place. They just need more of that. There's a fairy bridge in the woods there, and it's only a slight gradient. It's about 10-15 minute walk,
Okay.
and you go up, and then you've got to come off the path. You go down a little dirt track, and there's this old bridge, and it is stunning. But it's small, but it's like 500 plus years old, and it's amazing.
Called
but
the Fairy Bridge.
Fairy bridge,
Oh.
fairy bridge, yeah.
Oh, I'll have to do that.
And it's you need to. And it's but there's big waterfalls there.
Oh.
It's stunning. It really is stunning. Well worth doing.
amazing.
But I'm gonna go to that Grey Mare's Tail.
Yeah. Oh, it's worth seeing. It really is.
Oh god, yeah.
And especially, you know, I mean, there'll be a waterfall today, but you know, in the middle of winter or if there's been heavy rains, it's just absolutely spectacular.
Is it?
But you get soaked going up to the actual fall. The spray that comes off. It's
Oh really?
incredible.
Oh amazing. No, I'll do that. Thank you very
All right.
much. Cheers, buddy.
All right.
Thank you, mate. I've just had a nice gentleman come up to me and say there's a place called Grey Mare's Tail over at Kinloch Leven, so that might be quite a good route for the next video. And if anyone who's watching's been up here on a bike or lives here, any recommendations would be absolutely fantastic. So yeah, put them in the comments, that'd be brilliant. What a day it's been. So the author of James Bond, Ian Fleming, his family had a lodge here. I think that might be why they used it for the Skyfall film. And this famous Skyfall house, James Bond house, was set here. Got it on the HyperView. I wonder how it's going to turn out in post-edit. So what a trip, what an adventure, what a place to sign off. It's been epic, I've loved every second of it. The Highlands, they just blow my mind, they really do. Skyfall, when it crumbles. I know it's going to sound really bad, but I've actually never seen Skyfall. Got to be, has to be, top 3 best roads I've rode in Scotland. Top 3. Top 3. Gotta be.